And your Monday morning off to a quiet start, a little foggy for some parts of the area, but we're also seeing some blue skies. This is a live look at NIU and DeKalb. You can see some of that fog developing in front of that camera, but it does look like the rest of us not seeing a big impact when it comes to visibility as our temperatures also get a little cooler. We just had a cold front pass through. We'll have another one moving through later today. That's going to bring us some of that active weather as we'll not only break records this afternoon with your temperatures, but then we have that severe potential into the afternoon and evening. Right now, though, we're dry. A bulk of that activity also right now staying within Iowa. We'll see some of that later today. Heading out the door this morning, still going to notice a little bit of a chill in the air. Temperatures dropping into the 30s, if not hanging on to the 40s. 39 degrees in Roscoe, 41 in Rochelle, 46 in Dixon. Might still need that lighter jacket, but not so much later this afternoon. Today's record sits at 71 degrees, and we're forecasting to hit 72, breaking the record potentially by a degree. And just to give you an idea of how well above average we are today, typically we want to be at 41 degrees for today. So quite the difference. Enjoy the warmth while we got it. As that cold front does approach and move through, it's not only, of course, going to cool us off, but it also brings us this severe potential, a 1 out of 5 for the entire area. Now all threats are possible. Damaging wind gusts, hail, and even isolated tornadoes, along with the chance for some heavier rain within some of these thunderstorms. Now, as we head into the afternoon, here's about 4 o'clock. We may see some thunderstorms develop out ahead of that front, but bulk of that activity does move throughout the evening. So here's about 6:30, moving through about 8:30. You'll notice a lot of that activity already with us. And again, we'll still see that chance for some heavier thunderstorms. If we do see these storms becoming severe, some of them may pack a punch. Damaging wind gusts, hail, even isolated tornadoes, all risks on the table tonight. This will continue to move through. You'll notice early Tuesday morning, just before 3 o'clock, still seeing some of that rain, but it will slowly fizzle out and exit, taking you early into Tuesday. By the time we head out the door, we'll be dry. Cloud cover is going to move in, though, so you'll still see some sunshine early. Temperatures, of course, going to leap into the 70s, breaking those records as we then see a chance for those stronger storms into your evening. Temperatures drop into the low 40s as that activity moves in and then out early tomorrow, but some cloud cover will be left behind throughout parts of your Tuesday. Look at that temperature drop, over 15 degrees cooler by the time we head into Tuesday. We look to stay in those mid-50s all the way through about Thursday, with another system moving in late Thursday night, early Friday, as we'll kick off Friday off to a rather soggy note, I should say. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, looks like we drop into the 40s throughout the weekend. Sunshine returns, but we also spring an hour forward by Sunday, that time of year again, as we then only continue to warm things up back into the low to mid 60s into next week. Definitely a promising sight there.